Okay, so you've seen me talking about improvements that we've made to our workshop. So, shall we go and have a look? So we've increased the workshop space by 50%. We've taken on another 2,000 square foot, which means that we can focus on certain areas of our business that we're developing and growing, which is why we've decided to actually focus on commercial and EV, because that's an area of growth that we see within our business. Without forgetting what we've already got, it's 4,000 square foot. And it just gives us a chance to grow and develop and to meet the customer demand that we've got in the business. Yeah, so this is our new EV and diagnostic bay. We've set this bay up really to give us an opportunity to really focus on EVs and build on our experience with those so far, and also to work with our process for doing diagnostic assessments. So we've got everything in the right area, everything together and all in one place. One of the things that we really looked for with the new part of our workshop is what part of our business was growing. So we've invested in a 6.5 metre bed ramp so we can get some really large commercials on, including motorhomes as well within that. We've got great access because we've got high roofs, high doors, so that works really well for us. And we've really planned this out around bringing commercials into our workshop. And we've also taken delivery of a new bit of kit, which is this machine here, which means we can now do off-vehicle DPF cleaning. So we see lots of diesel vehicles in our workshop, and one of the biggest challenges we have is the DPF's blocked. So it's a diesel particulate filter which is designed to catch the soot and the ash from the engine and stop it from getting into the environment, and these block. One of our benefits of being part of the DPF Doctor network is that we actually have a really good process for diagnosing and getting to the cause of the problem, but we've also got the opportunity to now clean not only on vehicle but off vehicle using this machine. So with this new workshop, one of the benefits we have is this great big huge wall here, which gave us a great opportunity to showcase some of the brands that we're really pleased and proud to be working with. So we've got AllData, Pagid, Varta and Scheffler, and we've got more signs to come for some of the leading brands that we work with. We really want to showcase the quality products that we use within our business, and it's a great opportunity to do so with a great space above me. Whilst we've expanded into the new part of our workshop, we thought it was really important also to invest in this side to bring it all up to the same standards. So as you can see, the floors are the same now throughout, which I think makes a big difference to the working conditions and also what our customers see when they come into our business.